Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. In this session, we will talk about setting up linen in a pantry. First, you need to know your pantry standard. Follow pantry standard setup from checklist. Each pantry standard is set up in accordance of number of rooms that a pantry need to cover per floor. Number 2, you need to know the needs of each pantry. Ask previous shift to get information about pantry needs. Check logbook to see specific information about the needs. Check with HK order taker if there is specific information from supervisor about certain pantries. Seek information from other source if you are at the beginning of the shift. In the case floor pantry requisition form is not available, see the pantry physically. Number 3. Deliver the required items. Bring sufficient linen towel as per needs from laundry to pantry. Restock pantry to maximum stock of each item on checklist, stated on floor pantry requisition form. Never overstock pantry since it can affect the availability of linen for other pantries throughout the resort. Number 4. Set up linen on shelving. Place linen according to shelving marking and standard stacking. Ensure the stacking are in line, tidy and laid flat to avoid creasing. Untidy placement can result in linen abuse. Any broken label must be replaced immediately. Report to the supervisor to get the replacement to avoid placing wrongly and missed count during the inventory. Now, we will discuss about how to fill in floor pantry requisition. Prepare the form, Siapkan Formularnia. First, get the form from linen order taker. Fill in the pantry name, date and name of checker. Each pantry would need a form. Number 2. Fill in pantry standard. Fill in each pantry standard on the columns as per par level standard. Standard par depends on the total numbers of rooms that the pantry is supplying and bed type. Report to the supervisor for any kind of linen not in sufficient numbers. Number 3. Count linen in pantry. Follow the column of floor pantry requisition form to count each type of linen set up in pantry. Count in detail based on the list and put the result on actual. Number 4. Calculate request requirement. Par amount minus actual becomes the number of linen required for that pantry. Calculate based on clean linen available on the shelving, dirty one are not counted. Number 5. Submit the report, Menurakan Laporan. Pass the report to supervisor, who then liaise with following shift to restock the pantry based on result. File floor pantry requisition at the end of each shift. Number 6. Get supervisor approval, Minta persetujuan. Ask for supervisor's signature upon submitting the form. The form becomes formal evidence of the existing pantry situation before leaving working area. This is a formal way to inform the next shift of pantry situation. Let us continue to the next session. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Thank you.